If your AirPods won't set up with your iPhone and is showing you the error connection unsuccessful, don't panic. I'll help you fix it with some easy steps. This issue is usually caused by connection glitches on the AirPods, Bluetooth problems, or some network bugs on your iPhone. To fix this, you can try out these troubleshooting steps. Solution 1. Try out the basics. Now, in most cases, the AirPods don't connect just because it has no charge. You need to charge the AirPods properly before connecting your device. Make sure to clean your AirPods. If you're facing charging issues, get your buds and clean up their metal charging area in the lower part. Do this for both of the buds, and make sure to clean up the charging area inside your AirPods charging box. Get some cotton buds or stick buds to clean it properly. Once it's cleaned up and charged properly, try connecting the AirPods. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If there's a problem in the network settings of your iPhone, it can cause issues like this. Resetting it should help. To do this, grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. If you are prompted, enter your passcode. After this, confirm your choice by tapping Reset Network Settings again. This will reset your Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi passwords, and related network settings and hopefully fix the problem. So guys, that's it for today. I hope this video helped fixing your problem. If you have any more questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.